Insect pressure of fall produce crops. Seems like each year about this time we begin to think how unusual this produce season is compared to previous years. Of course, every season is different. That's the complicated nature of farming and pest management. So many factors, some explained and many unexplained, influence plant growth and insect pest activity and abundance. I thought I'd share some of my recent observations of unusual insect activity from research plots at the Yuma Ag Center, local commercial fields, and conversations with PCAs. Whitefly populations were the lightest we have seen in years, but have been heavy in a few small areas. Many, like myself, believe this is due to the lower cotton acreage this summer, but there could be other factors as well. Beet armyworm pressure remains steady, but seems much lower than what I usually see this time of the year. Cabbage looper numbers have been considerably lower from what we typically see in lettuce and cole crops in October. Their numbers seem to be increasing now. Corn earworm larvae populations appear to be about normal relative to the past 3 to 4 years. So far, I have not had any complaints in regards to controlling this worm pests, and all the standard lab materials are performing up to par in my efficacy trials. In contrast, diamondback moth larvae are very abundant in my broccoli trials. They showed up earlier and in higher numbers than I typically see this time of the year. Not sure why. Good news is they remain easy to kill with standard materials. Another interesting pest showing up is the Hawaiian beet webworm. They were very abundant last year, and PCAs have been sending me images from this season. Please check out the images below. The larvae prefer spinach and beets and can cause damage if left untreated. Again, easy to control. Western flower thrips are on the increase, consistent with the warm weather. Adult and immatures are increasing in many lettuce plots, and several PCAs have mentioned that they are quite abundant. Have also had some reports of cowpea aphids showing up in the lettuce. Experience shows us that cowpea aphids will begin to colonize lettuce about this time of the year, but never seem to amount to much, and colonies disappear when it gets colder. If the weather breaks in the next week or so, as anticipated, worm and thrips pressures should slow down considerably. However, given our current and predicted El Nino weather pattern, all bets are off. So have your weather reports handy and keep your eyes open for the unexpected.
Remember, when in doubt, scout.